Thousands of videos are being uploaded every day on the internet. And in order to stand out, there are things you need to do and put in place. Else, somebody will see your video and scroll through it. But if you put those things in place, you're definitely going to stand out. This is the sad reality, especially for every upcoming and low budget content creator. Join me in this video as I expose those secrets. The number one thing that you need to understand about social media and standing out as a content creator, especially as a newbie, is that the quality of your video has to be good. Now, even if you don't have good elements or good things to say, and you have a very good quality, video quality, people will definitely stop to watch what your content is all about. Whether it is nonsense, it is good, or it is not good. But the fact that your visual quality, your video quality is very, very okay, they will definitely watch. And this is a battle for most of the upcoming content creators because they are on low budget. Now, you need to understand that the quality of your output will determine how the algorithm distributes your video. There are a lot of thousands of videos being uploaded and you are now coming with low quality. What do you expect? People will scroll through. So you need to fix your lightning. You need to improve on the lightning when making your video so that you appear much more clearer. Secondly, you need to improve on your audio quality. You may have good substance, good information, but if your audio quality is bad, people may not clearly hear you. This is one of the challenges I faced back then, audio quality. So as an upcoming content creator, you need to upgrade on your audio quality. 3, your background. You need to work on your background. Let your background be neat. You may not get it all perfect, but let your background actually speak that volume. And if possible, make it aesthetic. And this is the most important aspect of all. Your content quality and the information you put out there. If you have good information, definitely people will engage in your video. People will like what you do. But when you don't have good information, you keep doing what has already been existing, people will not definitely resonate much with your video. So you need to solve that problem that people are looking for. And when you start solving the problem that people are looking for, you start providing that solution, definitely you are going to have engagement, because this is the key aspect in content creation, not just the video quality alone. If you have quality without content, without good information, without solving problem, you may not go. Share this video for people out there to benefit, especially upcoming content creator. And I hope one day we all are going to get monetized and grow big. Thanks for watching till this very moment. Have a lovely